Hello and welcome back. So this is the third video for this morning, and I'll just go have a quick rundown on JPY pairs. I may also include some other instruments and some other pairs. Actually, I'll make it as snappy as I can, and sorry about all the roasters you hear on the background and every other background noise you hear, but that's not really what we're here, and that's not what we should be concentrating on. We should be more keen to get the information and knowledge I am trying to pass across, and of course make more money. So let's start with USD JPY. I'm going to go through it again, and then because I have to use it to compare something. So we have this move that I'm expecting, and after this move we get to break this stop again, and we come for this move. Yes, that's what I am expecting. Okay, so maybe I didn't draw that quite well. After this move we get this, and then if it breaks the top we get this, which is this, and once we get that we get this to break the top before we can now look for the crash or whatever you call it. So I did that in my previous video, going over to the 4 hours daily and showing you what we should be expecting on the long run. So you can watch that video. I'll do my best to link it in the description below, so you don't miss out on it. Today is the 22nd day of October 2024, and so GBP JPY, this I was expecting this move to come, this one to come, just like on every other JPY pairs. I was expecting this move to come after breaking this top, but it didn't come. Rather, it made this, it went back up, did this, it did this, it did this. So I'm expecting this to come complete this, and after that I'm expecting this to go break the top, and after that I'm expecting this to come down. And if that be the case, that means after that we are going to go up. We're going to go up right here, and if we are going to go up, it means this is now a deep correction where we will 1 2 3 4 5, where we will either come back here making this a 1, then making this a contracting flat somewhere in the middle, making this the top. We'll have a 1 or 2 or 3, we'll go up, complete this whole thing and come down. And if that be the case, then you should know that this was the first impulse within this correction, and we're going to break that and we're going to go. Now, will that be so simple as I drew it? No, it might not be. It might not be that. So we can have that. We can even have it come break this low like this. We can also have another correction like this, come have it break this low, making this making it this before it goes back up. So there are a whole lot of varieties on how these things can turn out, on how they can behave. Okay, so but the bottom line is that we get whatever is happening now, the next hour, the next 2 hours, the next day. That's the bottom line. So with that being said, let me not confuse you with this. So wait for this move on GBP JPY. Wait for it. Go to the 15 minutes. Wait for an impulse. Maybe this might be the impulse. Wait for an impulse. Wait for a correction, and then you can sell. All right. When you're selling, remember this possibility. So yeah, must it come down to this low? No, it could just fall short here, making it 1, 2, or 3 from here, and it must not be 100% retrace of this move. It must not be. There's no rule that says it must be 100% of the move it's trying to complete. So with that being said, we are going to run over to AUD USD, which I am also expecting this move here to happen. I'm also expecting this move to happen. By the way, I missed this trade yesterday. I actually lost because I was expecting this move to go at least to this top, turn, give us this, and then go, then give us this in turn. But it didn't happen that way. It didn't really happen that way. What happened was that I was buying, it was in profit, and then I was discussing with some friends in our trading group, and by the time I came back, I was already losing. So I thought, okay, let me see if it's going to make a flag and prove it's coming down to break this low. So I exit, but it didn't show that. It kept on coming down, and I just had to close it. And after 2 candles, it started to move up, and I was like, I don't think I should buy this in, and I didn't pay attention to it again. So after some time, about 2-3 hours, I saw it right here, and that was when I was about going to bed, so I left it. So this morning I came out, it was already around here, so there was really no need. So when it was here, I was expecting to have this move come down and then go, but it didn't happen. So I am beginning to think, even yesterday I was thinking this might just be a correction on its own. So now what happens is, when we are trading this down, we wouldn't exclude this possibility yet, because this might be this go back up to break the top before it start coming for whatever bigger move. So here is what I mean. This right here might just do this and go back up, and if it does that and goes back up, which means this is a 1, this is a 2, this is a 3, and it did this 1, 2, did this correction here, goes back up, comes back for this, goes back up. Now, will all this thing happen today? The answer is a big no. The answer is a big no. And if we have all that, which means we've had a very big correction here in the middle of this whole move, and if that be the case, then we're going to have this move, which is this, and then we're going to have this, which is this, and we'll continue. So you see, there are a whole lot of things on how, a whole lot of possibilities. Now, will it just happen as simple as this? No, it could just do this. It could come. Hold on, let me show you. Will it just happen as simple as that? No, it could just do this. After everything, it could just complete this move, just go back up, could just do another correction here, go back up, could do another correction here, could go back up before we eventually get this move. So there are a whole lot of possibilities right here, but we always start from the simplest possibility or simplest form or simplest move. And when you start getting complex, we start changing our analysis and whatever biases, and amending the moves that we're expecting, and doing some serious rational consideration and making serious rational decisions. Okay, so that's how you trade and become successful, not emotionally. So with that being said, let's hop onto Euro JPY. So wait for the JPY moves, they are coming. And for this, yeah, I knew that move was going to come. Yeah, that's perfect. So sorry, wait for this, turning right here, wait for this move. And the move we are expecting right here right now is either this or this. So if we are expecting this, then this becomes a 1, 2, 3. But if we are expecting this, then this becomes a 1, 2, 3, where we come down here, go back up, complete this, come down, complete this. This is a standalone correction on its own, so we go back to break this stop, and after we break that top, we can come down for this. You see? So it all depends on which one we are coming down for, but whichever one we are coming down for is what it. So if we're coming down for this one, that's the move, it's very big, it's huge. And we're coming down for this, that's the move, it's very big, it's huge. So go to 15 minutes, wait for your correction, flag, and sell. NZDJPY, I think it should be doing same thing. Yeah, it did this, and then we should be looking out for this move right here. Sorry, should be looking out for this move, right? Yeah, I think we should be looking for this move, and if that be it, get rid of this, we don't need it anymore, or we can, yeah, we don't need it anymore though. So if we are coming for this move, then we have this. And NZDJPY is quite complicated on its own, because there are a whole lot of bits and pieces we need to put together, and it's either we are coming for this or this. So, but I think we are coming for this. So if we're coming for this, we'll have this right here in the middle. Then we'll get this coming down, right? We'll get this going up, and which is this, and we'll get this, which is this, and after that we can get this to go up. So a whole lot of movements right here. So wait for your flag and sell from the 15 minutes. Don't jump into the trade, because this thing might also reverse and go break the top again. So yeah, even though I know it's tempting, I know it's tempting, so but don't jump into it. And yeah, I am not also excluding this possibility too, that this could be this. You can see that arrow I just deleted, line I just deleted, right? So earlier this morning I was expecting it to be this, come down at least here to go back up. If that had happened, I would be expecting this at least. So when it comes down here, I'll see if it's going for this move to go back up, or if it will form correction and start going for this move. But let's see how it goes. Take this out, we don't need it for now. Let's see, it forms a correction and we will. Okay, this one did exactly what I wanted it to do and made that flat there, perfect regular flat. And because it is coming off of this, which means we are expecting this move. And if we get that move, then we will get this move. Sorry. If we get that move, then we will get this move, and then we'll get this move. Then we'll go. So yeah, we'll so wait for that move, wait for it, it will come. It will come. It will come. It will come. Wait for it. It will come. CHF JPY. So I just took a very risky trade here. Yeah, it's very risky, and I'll take it. I'll see what it does, and then I'll take it on a live account. Yeah, let me see what it does. Once it forms a correction and proves it's going good, I will. By that time, every other JPY pair has formed correction, and we make money. And next thing is CHF JPY, which here I am also expecting that move. Now CHF JPY is a little different from the others. It's a little different from the others, and yeah, so I think we might form this flat here, might form this correction here, and just like all of the other JPY pairs, might just, what's happening to my mouse, might just go back to break this stop, giving us this, coming down for this, and then giving us this. So yeah, for now let's trade it to, let's not exclude this option now and think it's coming for this. Okay, let's trade it to this point, and then we'll know if when others are going up, if it will just form a correction, and then when they are coming down, it also comes down to complete this. So go wait for your correction, and sell. All right, go there, wait for your correction, sell. Those are your trades. Those are your trades. So Euro GBP was hoping to buy it, and it's not complete yet. The correction is not complete yet. So have this right here now in the middle, and if we have that, then we have we have a 1, we have a 2, we have a 3. Once it breaks this low, we're going to get this, which is this and this, and then we're going to get this, which is this. Then we can go. So we have 1, 2 moves before we go. That's fine. Let's see how it goes. That's fine. I have 1, 2 moves before it goes. No? Sorry. I think this can also be part of this. And since it broke the top, right? Yeah, it did break the top, so this can be part of this, and we are just going to take off after this low. But if we have all these clusters right here, then this whole thing might just become a very big correction, because we have this, we can have it come in. We can have it just do this, crawl back up, giving a 1, 2, 3, crawl back down, making this a very big correction right here before it goes. So we have like 3 options, and let me tell you what the options are. Let me explain to you. If I'm going to take this out, so I'll start from beginning. If this move is a part of this, then we're going to get, once it breaks this low, we're going to get a 1, 2 move before we go. And if this correction comes to this low, it means that this might just be a 1, 2, 3, and we are still going to expect this move to come before we go. That's one option. If this move right here is a part of this, because this is the top, this is the top. So if this move is a part of this, then this is completed, and because it's coming down to this low, we might just get this move to come, not in a straight line, to come, complete this, and then we might get 1 2 3 to complete this before we go. That's the second option. The third option is that this is an impulse, this is a correction, and we're taking off. So what do you do right here when you have all these options? What you do is, any impulse correction you see right here, buy it, because it could just be the move you're looking for. But when you're buying, buy with caution, reduce your risk, because it could just also do this and do this. So buy it, reduce your risk. When it breaks this stop, forms a correction, you can increase your risk and buy. But remember, I am not encouraging you to gamble, and always remember that trading comes with a lot of risks. So be ready to put in what you can afford to lose, and don't over risk because you think you're 100% sure of where the market will go or what the market will do. Okay, and with that being said, I wish you good luck on trading, and I missed this trade and I'm just not happy, but let it come from a flag, and who knows, this might just also be this making a move here, correction, a move here, and we're going to break this stop again before we come down for this move, and then get this for this move, come down. Anyways, whichever it is, I am waiting for correction. I'm waiting for either an impulse or flag to buy it to break the stop again, break the stop, or an impulse, correction down, an impulse up. Let me not confuse you. So it's that I'm waiting for an impulse or correction to buy to break the top, or I'm waiting for this impulse, correction to come down to the low, correction to go up, forming a flat here, which becomes a flag for this, and then I sell it, putting stops here and going for that trade. Whichever one it is, we will find out pretty much soon. Yeah, we will find out. So with all that being said, I wish you a very good luck in your trading today, and hopefully I get to record this video again tomorrow. Hopefully I get to record it again tomorrow. Yeah, it's a bye for now. I'll see you, and make sure you watch and learn. It's important for you to get the knowledge